A whole slab of salmon. Ready? Bon appetit. Mmm. Oh my god, fuck. It broke apart. What did I do today? I did school and homework. And then I went to the gym. And now I'm eating salmon.
What you ate at the gym?
Okay. Legs, abs, and I did a few push-ups, but that's it. How about you?
I just woke up, started streaming, didn't take a shower, put on some clothes in the dumpster.
How long you been streaming for?
Like 4 hours. But I was up late. I had to clean the base house. But then it was
You
too
actually
dirty.
cleaned it?
No, it was too dirty. And then there was rats.
Ew. Why do you have rats?
It's just a lot going on.
10 out of 10. Bye guys. Mwah. Say bye to Arky. Ew. Mwah.